Okay, so I know you're looking for a drink that you can order when you're out that is sugar free, alcohol free. And a fun fact about mocktails, and I know we love mocktails because they can be still pretty and alcohol free, but a lot of times they're full of sugar. So I'm gonna share with you my trick on how I still go out and socialize and stay away from a lot of high sugar drinks and alcoholic drinks. Okay, so my favorite to order is an easy spritzer, and a spritzer is just a few ingredients. Usually I'll ask the bartender, hey, do you have club soda? 9 out of 10 they should have club soda. You don't want to order tonic has sugar in it. Seltzer, I don't really like the flavor of seltzer, so we just stick with club soda most of the time. When I ask the bartender, hey, do you have club soda, she says yes. Second best would be seltzer, but club soda. And then I'd be like, do you have any fruit? And they'd be like, yes, they should have fruit. Especially if you're at a nice place, they should have fruit. So what I'm gonna do is show you how you can also make this at home. So we're gonna take our, well, no, actually, no. We are going to slice up our fruit. Girl, where's the knife? Child. Okay, I got the knife. All right. So what we're gonna do is slice up the fruit. I like to slice up my fruit really slim and pretty because I like to layer my drinks. Y'all know how I do. And go ahead and follow the hashtag Tipsy Tips for some of my other drink recipes and things. So I'm gonna slice up these oranges nice and pretty. And the tip for having pretty garnishes is having a good parent knife. You can find this in the Amazon store under Tipsy Tips. Our ice to our cup. Then we're going to start layering. And this is a sugar-free. So the natural orange citrus from the oranges just takes it to the next level. And it don't got no sugar. Now, we have our drink nice and layered, so pretty, fresh fruits, okay? Then we're going to take a club soda. This is Navy Hill. You can find this at Whole Foods. And I believe it is also linked in our Amazon storefront. Yes. It's so refreshing. And to top it off, I'm going to add some of these cherries. And I literally have mastered how to socialize and stay alcohol and sugar-free. This is how you make a fabulous spritzer at home, and you can order it just like this when you're out. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want. All right, ladies? Stay fabulous. Oh, and don't forget, Cocktails and Convo returns next Friday, June the 7th at 8 p.m. on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube, S Desire Brand, and we're S Desire Brand on TikTok, Facebook, and all of the things. So make sure you join us live on YouTube. I'm so happy to join you guys again live. Make sure you guys are subscribed to S Desire Brand on YouTube because we are bringing a lot of amazing long-form content that is going to transform your life to YouTube, okay? So join us over there. All right, stay fabulous.